Even though asteroids and comets can hit the Earth at practically any time and cause untold destruction, NASA doesn't really know of any confirmed asteroids headed towards the Earth for at least 100 more years. However, NASA does think that it's an eventuality, and in case it is, they have a plan to stop it. On November 24, 2021, NASA launched a SpaceX Falcon 9 into the sky from their launching site in California on a new mission called the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART. In short, their goal is to see whether NASA is actually capable of destroying asteroids and protecting us all from the brink of destruction on Earth. Don't worry though, this asteroid isn't headed towards the Earth, it's just an asteroid that NASA knows the general path of. Once the rocket launches into space, the probe on the rocket will spend about 2 hours opening up all its solar panels, after which it'll be able to begin its mission of reaching the asteroid NASA is targeting, Dimorphos. The asteroid itself is estimated to be the size of an entire football stadium, which may seem ridiculous at first, but modern militaries already have the capacity of decimating such large objects within seconds. Dimorphos is currently around 6.8 million miles away from the Earth, and the probe is expected to reach it by around September of 2022. According to NASA's Ed Reynolds, the manager of the DART project at Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory, they're going to hit the moonlet hard, although it's quite a small vehicle, which means that it might not be as successful as they're hoping. But NASA doesn't have to necessarily destroy the asteroid, all they have to do is deflect the asteroid. Even having the ability to deflect an asteroid would be enough to save us all from impending doom, and it could even save us from a mass extinction event. Dimorphos, the asteroid they're aiming for, will be quite close to another larger asteroid called Didymos. The goal here will be to push Dimorphos so close to the larger one that it'll eventually start orbiting it. Even if that's not successful, it'll give NASA some valuable information about how asteroids really work and how they might react in case of a collision. That information would be enough for NASA to get started on their next project. If an asteroid the size of Dimorphos actually does manage to hit the Earth, it would be enough to level an entire city. On top of that, NASA doesn't even track all the asteroids in our solar system, since there are simply too many to even count. What NASA hopes with this is that eventually we'll have rockets around ready to launch at any asteroid that threatens us. This would take a lot of international coordination and, more importantly, would cost a lot of money. But before we get to spending all that money, we need to do the research to see if it'll actually work. As for the target itself, it's not possible to see Dimorphos from the Earth. We can also track its lighting patterns, which make this mission extremely challenging. The hardest part about this mission is not to hit Dimorphos, it's actually to find Dimorphos using the probe. It won't be until about an hour before the probe reaches the asteroid that we'll be able to get actual pictures and information about it, and when that happens, it might just be too late. In case of a successful mission, the asteroid would need to hit the exact center of the asteroid at 15,000 miles per hour, which theoretically should be enough to leave a massive crater in the middle and exert enough kinetic energy to push the small asteroid into the larger one's orbit. However, the collision would also produce around 220,000 pounds of rock debris, which would be very unpredictable in its movement. However, NASA expects this debris to give an even bigger push to the Dimorphos than the DART probe itself. There is one problem with this mission. As soon as the DART probe crashes into the asteroid, it will be completely destroyed. This means we will need to launch another mission to Dimorphos and Didymos to examine the results. The follow-up mission will be called Hera, and it will be launched by the European Space Agency in 2026. That's a wrap for this video. Do you think a massive space rock is going to hit us anytime soon? Let us know in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Seema's Top 10 for more videos like this. See you in the next one.